Hi! Today we're going to make a bug movement cube. On each side, when you toss it, you can land on a different type of bug. And with that bug is going to be a different type of movement activity you get to do. The supplies that you will need to make this are scissors, markers, tape, and paper. Remember the shapes Miss Janice was practicing with you? That's going to come in handy. With your mommy's or daddy's help, you are going to draw 6 squares just like this. Next, this is where you can be creative. Think of 6 bugs you like and draw them into each square. I chose a slug, an ant, a worm, a grasshopper, a firefly, and last but not least, a ladybug. But you can choose any bug you want. You can pick your 6 favorites. Alright, so after you have all of the bugs that you got to draw and color, you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut out your squares. And this should be what you're left with. Next, we're going to fold the squares just on the line. So each line that you see, you're just going to bend the paper. Last one. Perfect. And then that's when your tape comes in handy because we're going to make our little cube and then we're going to get a piece of tape and tape it. So I have my first piece of tape and my cube. And I'm just going to match the corners to the first side and then add my tape. Ta-da! And then you're going to do the same to the 2 other sides. Alright, I'm about to do my last piece of tape on my cube, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be fun. So no worries if it doesn't look perfect or if the square isn't perfectly square. Mine is not. And then you have your bug movement cube. And you can throw it. Miss Maria landed on wiggle like a worm. So Miss Maria's going to have to wiggle like a worm. So you can ask your mommies, daddies, if you have a brother or a sister to play. And whichever bug you land on, you have to do that movement. And make sure to send Miss Maria or Miss Janice pictures or videos if you guys decide to make your cube, because we would love to see the silly different movements that you picked.